If you need to change the phone number on your Epic Games account, this video will walk you through the process, step by step in a quick and easy way. By the end, you'll know how to remove your old SMS number and add your new one so your account stays updated and secure. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech guides just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to the Epic Games account portal. Then log in with the account that you want to update. Once you're signed in, look to the left sidebar menu and click on the Password and Security tab. This is where Epic keeps your login and security settings, including your two-factor authentication options. After that, scroll down the security page until you find the two-factor authentication section. In this area, you should see different methods you can use for account security. What you want to look for is the SMS code section, because that's the part tied to your phone number. Next, find the three dots button next to your active phone method. Click on those three dots to open the options menu. From there, choose Remove Method. Epic will likely show a warning pop-up asking you to confirm your decision, so go ahead and confirm it carefully. This removes the old phone number from that SMS method. Now that the old number has been removed, stay on the exact same page and look for the Setup button next to the SMS code line. Click Setup to begin adding your new phone number. On the next screen, you'll need to choose your country code first, so use the drop-down selector and pick the correct flag or country from the list. Once that's selected, type your new mobile phone number into the empty field. Double-check that every digit is correct, because even one wrong number can stop the verification code from arriving. After confirming the number is entered properly, click Continue. At this point, Epic Games will send a text message to your new phone number. Grab your phone and look for an incoming SMS that contains a 6-digit verification code. Enter that code when prompted on the website to finish the setup process. And that's it. Your Epic Games phone number has been changed successfully. Your account is now linked to your new mobile number, which helps keep your security settings up to date and makes account recovery much easier in the future. If this video helped, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more Epic Games tips, account tutorials, and easy step-by-step fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.